If you ever need to report a user profile on X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether a profile is spammy, abusive, impersonating someone, or violating platform rules, reporting it is a simple way to help keep the platform safer for everyone. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the X app and go to the profile of the user you want to report. You can do this by searching their username or tapping their profile from a post they've made. Once you're on their profile page, look for the More icon, which is the three dots or the three-dot menu. This is usually near the top right area of the profile or next to their profile actions. Tap or click that More menu to open the list of options. From there, select Report. X will then start a reporting flow that helps you choose the reason for the report. This is where you'll be asked to specify what the issue is. Follow the prompts carefully and pick the option that best matches the problem, such as spam, abuse, harassment, impersonation, or another policy violation. In some cases, X may ask for a little more detail so it can better understand the report. Just answer the prompts honestly and clearly. If there are any additional confirmation screens, continue through them until the report is submitted. Once you finish, your report will be sent to X for review. After that, you can leave the profile and continue using the platform as normal. A couple of quick tips before you go. Make sure you report the correct profile, especially if usernames look similar. And if the issue is urgent or severe, consider also using block and mute tools to protect your experience while the report is being reviewed. Reporting on X is straightforward, and now you know how to do it in just a few taps or clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.